The first and only piece of software that you'll need to develop apps for iOS is Xcode. So let's have a quick look at what it is. I would get it by going into Google and typing Xcode and then just clicking on that top link there. So Xcode is Apple's free software for developing apps for both iPhone and iPad, but also Apple Watch and Mac as well. So it's really powerful. It's got a lot of great features that make doing quite complicated things pretty straightforward. It's got really nice text highlighting and prediction, so it will actually predict what you're trying to type as you go along, which does make coding much quicker and a lot more fun. We're going to be working in the latest version of Xcode, which is Xcode 7, and we're going to be using the latest version of Swift, Apple's own language for developing apps, which is Swift 2. There it is. So there's a bunch of great features here. You can have a look on the Apple website if you want more information, but what we're really interested in now is downloading it. So I'm going to click this blue download button at the top. And now at the time of recording this video, Xcode 7 is in beta. Probably by the time you're watching this video, it won't be. So you can just download the latest version of Xcode, whatever that is. But make sure you get Xcode 7 rather than any of the previous versions. So you just need to click download Xcode 7, whichever version you've gone for. It will require you to create a developer account, which is completely free. I'm just going to show you how to do that. It's pretty straightforward, but you just click Create Apple ID and then just put all your details in here. So I'll just very quickly go through. So I'm going to put Rob Percival in there. Now, if you've got an Apple ID, then I would definitely recommend putting your Apple ID in there. If not, then any email address will do. So I'll use rob@codestars.com. There we go, and then put in a password. So just put in any password that you like as long as it meets all the requirements. There we go. And then answer some security questions. So I'm just going to put some demo answers in here. There we go. Obviously, I definitely recommend putting the correct answers in there when you sign up. And then put your birthday in there too, and you can have a secondary email address if you want, and then you put your normal address in. So I'm just going to put an example. There we go. I'll put my real city though, Cambridgeshire. There we go. Change your language if you want to, and then change your email preferences. I don't think I'm going to go for those. And then just put in the characters, if you can read them. And then click Create Apple ID. Okay, I just need to change my answers to these so they don't match. There we go. And once again, create Apple ID. So then you just need to verify your email address. So you'll be sent an email with a link in it. I'm going to just pause the video and do that now. And now I've done that and logged in, but it's redirected me to the general Apple developer site. So I would just take yourself straight back to developer.apple.com/xcode/downloads. And now that we're logged in, it won't be a problem to download it. So just click download. There we go. I'm just going to save it to the desktop there. And it'll take a fair while to download. It is 4 gigabytes. So go make yourself a cup of tea. And then when it's done, you just install it in the same way that you would any Mac application. So just double click on it and it will lead you through the install process. And that's it. Once you've got Xcode installed, you're in a position to start making iOS apps. So we'll have a good look around the Xcode interface and see how the development environment works in the next video.